Good morning, students. Welcome to English Class 6. In this video, we are going to learn about the poem I Dream of Spices, Unit 3 poem. Let us see few information about the author. Author name is Raj Armugam. The poet Raj Armugam was born in 1955 in India. At the age of 6, he was sent to Singapore. And now he is settled in Australia. He is a teacher, poet, writer, and businessman. A Strange Night, a holy poet, comedy of errors, Rainbow Snake, and some of his poems. The Golden Buddha Face of Divine, The Wave Master, or some of his famous books. Let us few words given in the glossary. First one is cinnamon. Cinnamon is the bark of a tree that gives a delicious flavor to food. Garlic, a small bulb with a strong taste used in cooking. Rattle off, recite. Sesame seeds, gingerly seeds. Ouch, sound that expression pain. Let me read the poem. I dream of spices. My mother would say, little boy Raj, go to Muthu's and get some cinnamon betel leaves and ginger and garlic. And so I go to the shops, singing all the way. And when Muthu asks me what I would want, I rattle off a list: sesame seeds, onions, tomatoes, and pickles. And back home, mother twists my ears. Ouch! It is a very simple poem about a child who is buying things not according the list but on his own choice. Now let me summarize the poem. There is a boy called Raj who lives with his mother. One day the mother asks Raj to go to Muthu's shop to buy cinnamon, betel leaves, garlic and ginger. He goes to the shop singing and dancing all the way. But he forgets the list of the things mother said. Once he reaches the shop, he buys sesame seeds, tomatoes, onions and pickles. When he comes back, his mother twists his ears. Owing to the pain, he makes the sound ouch. My dear children, I hope you all are understood this poem clearly. Thank you children. Have a nice day.